Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi surati Yunus. هو الذي جعل الشمس ضياء والقمر نورا وقدره منازل لتعلموا عدد السنين والحساب ما خلق الله ذلك إلا بالحق يفصل الآيات لقوم يعلمون. Translation: He is who made the sun a radiantly shining light and the moon luminous light, and has determined for it measuring stages, that you may know the number of years and count of time. Allah has not created all that except with the truth. He explains the verses for the people who can understand. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, إِنَّ فِي اخْتِلَافِ اللَّيْلِ وَالنَّهَارِ وَمَا خَلَقَ اللَّهُ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ لَآيَاتٍ لِقَوْمٍ يَتَّقُونَ. Translation: Surely in the alternation of night and day and all what Allah has created in the heavens and earth are signs for pious people who fear Allah. In these ayahs, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned the signs He created in this universe. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created the sun, who has its own light, and created the moon, who has the reflected light of sun. And the moon changes its appearance, and it increases and decreases in size, so that the people can use this as counting the days and months and years. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has caused this so that the people can do their daily routines and they can count the time. If this system was not made, there was no way humans could keep the count of the days, months, and years. This whole system is not working by chance, but it is created by the most powerful, based on His absolute wisdom and absolute perfection. Those who have the pure heart, they get the knowledge of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by pondering on these signs of Allah. Indeed, the signs of this universe, like the alternation of the day and night, is a big sign of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And today we know that the whole plant kingdom is working because of this alternation of the day and night cycle, and the animal kingdom is closely linked to the plant kingdom, and the whole system is acting in absolute synchrony. So those who have a fear of Allah and they have the pure heart, when they ponder on these signs of universe created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they get connected to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and their heart testifies that the creator of this system is free from any limitation, free from any defect, free from any need, and He is the most high, the most powerful. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala open our hearts and open our eyes so that we can see the signs of the Creator in the things that we have in our surroundings. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.